So the key benefit that the online version of Excel has over the desktop version is that in the online version, multiple people can be easily working in the same workbook at the same time. So let's just say I have this workbook and I want to share it with people so multiple people can be working on it, but also manage the restrictions and security to some of the people that I've already shared it with that may or may not be messing stuff up. To do this, I go to share in the top right corner, and then I can just share the workbook. I can copy link. I can copy link to a sheet, or I can manage access to the people that already have access to the workbook. Let's just say you click on share. Now, note with online version, depending on your Wi-Fi speed, it can take a second or two for it to load, but here I can add a name, a group, or an email, and I can add a message to note with your workbooks. I can also adjust these settings for how much access people have available to it. So, for example, I can say, well, anyone with this link can edit the workbook. I can make it to only specific people, or people with existing access has availability to edit the workbook, or only specific people. And I can also change these settings to where people can edit it, or they can only view it. And I can even set an expiration date in the password. So if it's something that's a bit more secure, or if there's a strict deadline, for example, then you can make it to where, hey, I don't want people editing this after the end of the month, for example. So you can also share and copy the link to the workbook itself and share it that way just by throwing the link in a Teams chat, for example. And again, with the ability to edit the security as well. Or you can also share a link to the specific sheet that you're in, which can be helpful if you're in a large workbook with a lot of different sheets. To manage the access of specific people, you can click on Manage Access, and you can see the access that people, groups, or links have, and you can edit the security and the amount of access that different people have here. We haven't shared this yet, so this will look different if you've shared this with multiple people. But note, this is where you can go to edit the access of people that already might be looking in the workbook. One of the cool things about Excel Online 2 is you can easily see who is making edits on the workbook. So in case something gets messed up, it's much easier to trace as to who may have made a mistake and then edit their access accordingly. By clicking on Catch Up and click on Show Changes. And then here you can see, well, someone named Brandon deleted rows. Maybe he shouldn't have done that. And go ahead and limit the dude's access in this example. Or just understand why changes were made. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.